Hi, I'm Chandler from Dittofeed, which is a flexible open source alternative to platforms like MailChimp, Klaviyo, and ActiveCampaign. Subscribe to this channel for product updates and tutorials on how to automate your business messaging. Today we're looking at how Dittofeed's SMS template editor works. From the Dittofeed dashboard, navigate to Message Templates and create a new template. I'll name this example SMS template and choose SMS as the channel. On the left hand, we have user properties. These are all of your user properties that are available currently. You can also go to the user properties tab over here and create any new user properties that you need for whatever user data you need to render in your message templates. The editor allows user properties to be rendered as template variables using liquid syntax. So let's look at how to render a user's first name in your SMS template. Already right here we have user phone, which you can see rendered over here, but we also have this first name user property. So what happens if we delete phone and put first name? Right here we see the example value being rendered, and that's it. Click publish, confirm publish, and you're ready to use this in a journey. Create journey and drag in a message node. Now you can select SMS as the channel, and your example SMS template will show up here. Alright, that's all for now. Feel free to reach out on Discord if you'd like further help setting up automated SMS messaging, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful. Thanks!